Why? Seriously, why? Know your product. If you're a parts professional, especially on dealership level, know your product. It's mind-boggling to me. So I got this Hyundai Sonata, 2015 Hyundai Sonata, and the valve cover gasket was leaking. Okay, not a big deal. It's direct injected. So I call around locally. Guess what? Valve cover gasket is not available locally. Felpro makes one. It's on back order. That should tell you something. So I call Hyundai. Need a valve cover gasket. No problem. Now you would think if there's them being a dealership, they should know. If there's anything else involved, they should say, oh, by the way, you're doing a valve cover gasket. You need X, Y, and Z. Nope. Let me show you what I got. So here it is. It's a part. And here's the valve cover off. There's inside the motor. That's the point where the direct injection high pressure pump mounts. That's it right there. It mounts there, which basically goes through that hole in the valve cover. There's the gasket for it. Guess what? Felpro, if you look at their listing, it shows that gasket as part of the kit. Hyundai, if you order a valve cover gasket, or at least from these people that we ordered it from, you get the gasket that goes here, all the way around, and the one for the spark plug tube seals. That's it. That's what you get. You don't get this. Oh, you want that too? Well, guess what? It's an extra 40 bucks. For this? Yep. So now, I have a car apart. I can't get that gasket till tomorrow. Because the closest Hyundai dealer that has this in stock is 60 miles away. So now I get to push this thing outside because I can't finish the job today, which that just aggravates me. If, like I said, I can understand a local parts store, you know, the Napas, the AutoZones, the Advanced Auto, the O'Reillys, blah, 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 you name it. I can understand them not knowing. But if you're a dealership, a Hyundai dealership, any dealership, I'm sure you've had to sell a valve cover gasket before, especially if you have it in stock. That tells me you sold it already. You've sold it before. Otherwise, you're not going to have it in stock. If it's something you don't sell, you're not going to keep it. It's very rare. At least when I worked with Chrysler, I mean, the parts guys there were very knowledgeable. They were very good. And they would actually put notes in the system. So if you looked up a part and they would go to give you a price, they say, oh, hold on, here's a note. And it says, hey, you need this part. No, so now, like I said, now I got to push this thing outside because it's tying up a lift, and I need the lift. I should have been done already. Now it's going to take another day. Just aggravating. Anyway, if you're getting anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. That's it for now. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.